Hi guys, it's the Health Juggernaut. Today I'm going to make a ketogenic vegan snack. What I'm going to use today are raw, unsalted macadamia nuts, which are very high in fat. It's great for the ketogenic diet. And we're also going to be using some dark chocolate. This is sinless. I just tried it recently. It's delicious. It's 85% dark cocoa. This is peppermint flavor. And it doesn't have any sugar. It's got raw, organic cocoa and natural erythritol, which is a sugar substitute and doesn't have a large effect on insulin levels. So this is going to be a quick, easy snack. It's a dark chocolate and macadamia nut crumble. It's super easy. You can take it with you. And it tastes delicious and it's very satisfying. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start with half an ounce of dark chocolate. And we're going to add to that about an ounce of macadamia nuts. Okay, that's all you need. For a snack or dessert, this is so easy, I almost shouldn't explain it. But you just chop up your dark chocolate into very small, convenient sized pieces. You know, something like that. Break it down any way you like to. Take your macadamia nuts. Now they also make the raw macadamia nuts salted. So you can go ahead and get some salt if you like, if you want to be sure that it's salted with a little bit higher quality salt, like French sea salt or pink Himalayan sea salt. You can just wait till you get home and sprinkle a little bit of that on here after you get it all chopped up. Now I like it to be a little bit chunky, that way I can sink my teeth into it. I don't want to make it too fine. Now you can take a spoon and just eat this with a spoon right out of a container. That works as well. That's pretty much it. Let's mix these together in a little serving bowl. Give it a shake or a stir. Boom. It is ready to eat. That's all there is to it.